welcome back to another basic boxing training video. Today, we are going to be breaking down an exercise that will help improve your punching power while also working the fundamental basics of hands up, elbows tucked. All you need for today's exercise is a rubber band. Get any rubber band that has enough resistance. This one has 25 pounds of resistance. That means when you pull it out, that's 25 pounds. Now, like always, get into your fighting positions. Make sure your foundation good. That is number one. Now, get your hands up. Don't even worry about the band right now. Hands up. Make sure your elbows are in good. Your hands are not up here, not down here, dingling anything. No, no, no. Not covering your face. No, no, no. Not a flying. No, no, no. But right here, right under your eye socket, right? Elbows not here. You're not a dancing. No. Keep them tucked. Not tucked like this, but tuck that you can do choo, 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 choo. All right? All right. Now, get your elastic band. And make sure with your elastic band, you want it right here, natural hand position. So you may have to adjust your hand position on the band, but that's all right. Don't fret. Just be patient with it. You will find the right hand position. So when you find your hand position, all you want to do, punch. Right? You see that? This hand stays here. Right? Rotate into your punch. And make sure when you throw your jab or your lead toe is always facing your opponent, cutting your opponent down the center. Therefore, you know your power is going to go straight. So, jab, cross, jab, cross, just like that. Now, side motion. You see when you're here, you're loose, right? Hand position, you're good. Boom. You see when I throw the jab, it's like you don't even have the elastic band, right? You're here. The rear hands protecting the chin. The shoulders protecting your chin on the other side. Good line of sight. My belly button is facing this way. Therefore, I know my power is going right through your opponent. So you're here. When you're transitioning to the two, just boom. Right? I'm pushing off on the rear foot. My belly button's facing this way. My shoulders protecting my chin. And my hands protecting the chin on the other side. Right? Good technique. Always master your techniques. Never get lazy. So you're here. Jab, cross, jab, cross, jab, cross, jab, cross. And you see how I'm keeping it crisp and clean, right? Nobody wants dirty undies. No. So yeah, I got to keep everything crisp and clean. When I'm throwing the one, I'm not letting the band pull me rear hand. No, I'm keeping it good and tucked. When I'm throwing the cross, I'm not letting the jab go out and be lazy, right? Everything crisp, clean water. So you hear 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. All right. Now, with this exercise, you want to treat it like you're fighting, right? So do 4 rounds of 2 to 3 minutes each with 1 minute rest in between. And you want to do this every time you train boxing. And it doesn't matter if you do it every day either. With just the light resistance and stuff, it's not going to overstimulate and cause any issues. So you can do it in the beginning of your training session, the end of your training session. But what's most important is you do it. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe.